Today, I'd like to introduce you to two little members of our family, Indy and Dill. Their story didn't begin the way we expected, but somehow everything worked out perfectly. A couple years ago, we brought home Indy and Pepina as a pair. They quickly became part of our family, but sadly we lost Pepina. Indy was left by himself, and it was hard seeing him alone. The following year, we decided to bring home another Budgie. Dill was just a baby, and we actually thought he was going to be a girl. As he grew up, we realized Dill was another little boy, but that didn't matter to Indy. They became the best of friends. They spend their days chatting, playing, and keeping each other company. They each have their own personalities, but they're happiest when they're together. We're not going to pretend they're perfect. Budgies can be surprisingly loud. Since Omar and I both work from home, there were days when they started singing before sunrise or during our meetings. As much as we love them, we even wondered if we should find them another home. The noise also became difficult for Dalia at times. Instead, we found a routine that works for everyone. At night, they sleep in a darker room, and when the weather is nice, we move them outside. They absolutely loved being outdoors, listening to wild birds and enjoying the fresh air. Indy and Dill have become such a special part of our family. They remind us that sometimes unexpected friendships turn out to be the strongest ones. Thanks for spending a little time with them today. If you enjoy nature, animals, family stories, and creative adventures, we'd love to have you join us on Art and Trail Tales. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.